What's happening, friends? Welcome back. My name's Edsclave, and we're playing Kill the Plumber again. So it's been a little bit since I last played, but I think, where were we at? No, I can't go there, so, wait. Oh, there's more levels I can pick? What is this? What is this madness? Which one? Castle. Oh wait, that's not castle. Wait, oh, you need to, never mind. I got all happy you thought I could do shit. Okay, wait, what is this? Oh, that's how many stars you can get. Okay, I knew that. Okay, so we left off on 28 on World 3, so we're gonna do this. We gotta murder some plumber. Yeah. Oh, shit. No, you get out of here with that shit. No. I'm gonna, oh, shit. No, fuck. That's not fair. He killed me with fireballs. Stop that. That's not fair. That's not an actual mechanic. You're a cheater. No, fuck. There's nowhere to go. I'm so fat. Look, oh God. Yes, we did it. Okay. No. Fuck. Oh, I can do this if you just pick up the other one. No, this right here, you jerk. Pick up this one. Stop hopping, you ass. Okay, no. Bad plumber. You're not a plumber. You're an imposter. That's what you are. You look like. Oh, now he wants to pick up that one. He's a jerk. No, stop doing that. Okay, we can do this. We can. No, stop shooting that shit at me. Frickin' cheater. Yeah. No. Okay, now I'm gonna make you pick up a. Oh shit. Oh, God damn it! It's so close! He's such a jerk! Why do you think? See, this is what's really happening here. We all think Mario is really this nice guy trying to save this damsel in distress, but really, he's just a jerk that wants to kill all the monsters. All of them, ever. No! Okay, don't you do it! Don't you do it! Yes! Come here, you! Yeah, high five! Taught that plumber to run around being invincible with freaking fireballs and shit. Next level. Press. Okay, I got it. Okay. I'm just being stupid. When am I not being stupid, though? How the hell? Yeah, no! I wanted him to fall in the thing. Okay, so I wonder if I just keep pressing this at the start, will it end up helping out? Yes! Alright. Okay, I don't know how we get 3 stars on that, but I did too soon. What? There's. How? What? How? What? How? Why do I even have ghosts? I can't do nothing there. That's cheating. Okay, now I'd have to do it at the very start. Come on, go. That one. Okay, no, it's too early, too late. How do I do this? I don't know how I do. What? No. This is impossible. There's a certain point. Yes! I didn't even mean to do that! I didn't even mean to do it, but I did it! Yeah! Okay. Oh, he's invincible! Oh, you frick that! No. How do I even get him to go up there? What? I'm also confused. How does this work? I don't understand. I don't even know. My brain doesn't understand what I need to do here. I know it has something to do. These active green coins that can make them weak. I would love to. No. Okay. Okay, well, we're not gonna get 3 stars. But hey, I mean, it is what it is. All right, I'll take that. I didn't want to kill him that way, but yeah, press down or S to shoot fireballs or smash the ground while in air. Okay, so. All right, we taught that plumber. Well, I can't shoot in midair. That's not fair. What? This does not make any sense. Oh, I can walk. Well, that's not fair. Look how fat I am. Okay, well, maybe I can just, if I just keep walking at him. You fuck. It's okay. It's okay. It really is. It's not, but it's okay. Fuck. I will figure this out. You will not get the better of me, plumber. Why would I jump into it, though? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just walk. Then, right here. No, that's close. But not what I wanted. Right here. Can I go off screen? Apparently that don't work. Curse you, plumber. Well, I did it. I don't know. I don't, fuck that place. I don't like that apple. Yeah. Damn it. Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah. Okay, we just need to get this now. No, like this, jump. Oh God, fuck. Yes. Okay. I kind of like playing this guy because. What? I see, so. Oh, no. Frickin' mother fricker. Yeah. No. Okay, so I go here. No! Ah! Why? Okay. Down! Go! Down again! Run, Fatso! Oh God! We got this. The king will get this done. He will. He just doesn't know yet. Why would I step on it though? Why? I don't like this level. I don't. Go. No, come on. That's crap. This is crap. You're crap, plumber. I will crap on you. You just don't know it yet, because you're invincible like a douche. Okay, go. Go. Come on, go. Yes. 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 And we got 3 stars too. Castle Crusher. Achievement unlocked. Don't cry, princess. We have taken care of your stalker plumber. Of course. You don't have to transfer to another castle anymore. We won, yeah. Okay, so apparently there's more to come. So we'll have to see how that goes in the next episode. So if you guys like this one and you want to see me kill more plumbers, because I'm sure they got more of them. I mean, look at all the levels, you know. Then let me know in the comments below if you like this. Make sure to hit that like button. Right there. It's right there. No, not that. No, that's right, that one. There you go. Right there. So, all right, guys, get out of here and get ecstatic. In the meantime, I'll be here waiting for you in the next one. Bye. So apparently